Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Noiseless Investment. Here we try to decode a company based on the fundamentals and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. Please note I am not a SEBI registered advisor and these are my personal views based on the fundamentals of the stock. Please do your due diligence before investing in the stock and kindly consult your financial advisor as well. So today we are going to do a fundamental analysis on Divis Lab. And this is the website of Divis Lab. You can go through this and get to know more about this company. So now moving on to the screener website, and this will help us understand the fundamentals a bit better. So the current moving price of this stock is 3,566 and it was down by 0.52% today. The current market cap of this company is 94,671 crores and the stock PE is 51.9. If you look into the industry PE, it is 25.4, so it is expensive than the industry PE. It is double what exactly is the industry PE. So if we look into the ROCE, it is 19.3 for this year, and the average ROCE has been in the range of 19 to 30%. If we look into the ROE, it is 14.9% and it ranges between this level till 22%, the average ROE. If we look into the promoters holding, it is 51.9% and they have not pledged any of their shares. If we look into the FIS holding, it is 14.7% and they have reduced their stake by 0.48%. If we look into the DII's holding, it is 21% and they have increased their holding by 0.38%. So if we look into the dividend yield, it is 0.84%, which is less than the 1% dividend yield mark. If we look into the face value, it is 2. The debt on this company, it is absolutely debt-free company, and the interest coverage ratio is 3536, which is extremely high, which is good. Now if we look into the EPS, then it is coming out to be 68.7 rupees. So in 1 year it is giving you 68.7 rupees. If we look into the sales growth, it is minus 13.3% for this year, and the profit growth has been minus 38.4%. So this is bad about this company. The CAGR, the profit growth CAGR and the sales growth CAGR, they are not so good. The operating profit margin is 30.5%, which means that the company is taking away 30.5 rupees in their pocket for every 100 rupees they are getting. Now if we look into the PEG ratio, it is 3.32%, which is leaving little room for the company to actually grow. Now if we look into the Altman Z score, it is 13.5, which is very good, as the company is not going to get bankrupt, which this specifies, the Altman Z score specifies the level by which a company may get bankrupt. So here it is very high and it is very good that the company is not going to get bankrupt any soon. It may not get bankrupt, God forbid that. And the Piotrowski score is 6, which specifies average financials. If we look into the 1 month return, it is positive, it is 15.1%. Return over 1 week is 2.25%, and the return over 1 day is minus 5.52%. So by looking into this, we cannot say that if the stock is completely in uptrend or in downtrend, but it seems that the stock is in uptrend, looking into the 1 week and the 1 month data that we have. The number of shares is 26.6 crores, which means that if you will multiply this data with the current CMP, the current market price of this stock, then you get this value, the current market cap. Now let's move on to the beta for this Divis Lab. Then we find that the beta is 0.32. So it is 1/3 of the movement by which the market will be moving. So it is 1/3 the movement it will be making. Now let's go and look into yeah. So here we have this chart of Divis lab. So here you look into this thing, the volume is less and the stock is falling. The RSI has started retracing back from its bullish position, and it is retracing towards the mark of 60. So but if the stock will cross this level, then it has the potential to move till 4,000 as well. So now let's look into what exactly is the score of the stock. It is 5 out of 10. The earnings, the score in terms of earning is 4. The score in terms of fundamentals is 6. The relative valuation is 2. The risk is 9 and the price momentum is 6. Now let's look into the fair values for Divis Lab. So the fair value is coming out to be 2878.92. So there may be a downside of minus 19.2%. The spread can be between 1857 till 3408. You can look into the pros and cons of this company here. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. In case you like my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the useful information on a regular basis. Thank you.